Have you heard the question, what's your LTV CAC ratio, and wondered, what the heck? I'm just trying to build a business here. I'm going to share with you what these acronyms mean, why they're important for your business, and how to calculate them. Stay tuned for some Ande-licious advice. Hey founders, Ande Lyons here, your startup mentor, and thank you for tuning in. If you're raising money for your business, or even if you're listening to a Gary Vee podcast, you will often hear the LTV CAC ratio tossed around during conversation, and you may have wondered to yourself, ruh-roh, I have no idea what that means. As a founder, you have to lift your know your numbers weights. It's part of your hands-on training, and the LTV CAC ratio is a valuable calculation to help you create the most successful outcome for your business. Why, you ask? Because it reveals your marketing return on investment, which is just a fancy way of saying it lets you know if you're throwing money away on your business or if you're investing your marketing dollars wisely. And if you're raising capital or applying for a line of credit with a bank, you are going to need to know this number. So let's start off with what these acronyms mean. LTV equals lifetime value from a customer, what the average revenue a single customer is predicted to generate over the duration of their account. CAC equals customer acquisition cost, the average expense of gaining a single customer, what it's going to cost you, how much money you're going to spend to get that customer's attention and to get them to buy your product and service. And the LTV CAC ratio helps you determine how much money you should be spending to acquire a customer, and it will show you if you're spending too much per customer or if you're missing opportunities from not spending enough. It makes sense, right? Now, the ideal ratio is 3-to-1 or better, which means customers spend 3 times the amount you spend to acquire them. Hey, you still with me? Oh, good. You need this info to run your business properly, and you're a business owner, not just a business doer, so step into your authority and let's continue. I want to warm you up first with the easier calculation, customer acquisition cost. Divide your total marketing and sales expenses by the number of new customers during a designated period, such as a month, a quarter, or a year. Voila, you're done. Congratulate yourself and enjoy this feel-good moment.
That was easy.
Because calculating the LTV is much more complicated. See, I can't even say it. It's much more complicated. So let's keep going. To begin, you need to know your business's average purchase value, average purchase frequency, and average customer lifespan. That is, how long a customer sticks with your business. Use these handy-dandy formulas to help you calculate purchase value, frequency, and lifespan. Then multiply your average customer lifespan by the difference between purchase value and purchase frequency. So just follow these formulas I've already taken care of for you here. You can hit the pause button and start popping in your numbers. I know, this can be confusing, right? But don't worry. I include an example calculation for you in the show notes to help walk you through calculating these critical numbers. Your understanding of what your average customer will spend at your business over the course of their relationship with your business and what it will cost you to acquire that customer will help you, once again, invest your marketing dollars wisely. I mean, you've only got so much money. You're a startup, right? And this info will let you know if you're tanking in your business or if you're building it successfully, and you're going to want to know that, right? It will also make potential investors very, very happy that you know this number. And just think how good you're going to feel when you hear LTV CAC thrown around in conversation. You're going, I got this. So repeat after me with a lot of enthusiasm. I want to hear you. I have a head for numbers and I've got this. What? Wait, one more time. I have a head for numbers and I've got this. For more Andelicious advice, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be sure to tune into my podcast, The Startup Life Show with Ande Lyons. It's interviews with founders across all industries sharing their startup stories, and you can find it everywhere podcasts are carried. And do yourself and your business a favor, subscribe to my Let's Stick Together newsletter because, come on, a new business does not come with instructions, and clearly it takes a village to raise a business. Hey, do you have an upcoming investor pitch or pitch event that you're getting prepared for and wondering if your deck is in the right order or has the best info? Well, I provide pitch deck audits, and I included a link in the show notes so you can learn more and grab some information about that. I would be delighted to help you out with that. Founders, thank you for tuning in. And until next time, stay strong, stay focused, and remember, you've got this and you've got a head for numbers. Cheers. Mwah.